We're getting some breaking news now, and this concerns the terror tentacles that are now spreading in the Jammu region. Now, Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has said that Pakistan currently is unnerved. It is, in fact, experiencing trepidation, seeing the kind of progress that Jammu and Kashmir is witnessing. And hence, Pakistan has decided to spread terror in the Jammu region now. The Lieutenant Governor has assured that our forces will be eliminating any kind of terror from the Jammu region.
और विशेष रूप से इस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन से बौखलाया आतंक का सरगना जो हमारा पड़ोसी वो जम्मू संभाग में आतंकवाद फैलाने का कुत्सित और घृणित प्रयास कर रहा है, लेकिन मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि उसके नापाक मंसूबे ये कामयाब नहीं होने दिए जाएंगे। जम्मू की जनता ने हमेशा से आतंकवाद का डटकर मुकाबला किया है और मुझे अपने बहादुर जवानों की वीरता पर पूरा भरोसा है। हम जल्द से जल्द जिस तरह से यहां सभी तंजीमों के कमांडरों को नस्तनाबूद किया गया, वहां भी इसको अंजाम देने में हमारी सेना और सुरक्षा बलों को निश्चित रूप से जल्द सफलता मिलेगी।
This across to my colleague Ishan, who's joining us on the broadcast. Ishan, where exactly was Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha speaking? Also making a reference of the progress in Jammu and Kashmir, especially post the abrogation of Article 370.
Well, Manoj Sinha was speaking in Srinagar while he was laying foundation of the scheme. But these are the comments that he made while mentioning that how the development in Jammu and Kashmir has what he said has unnerved Pakistan, and the result of that is that there are attacks and they are trying to destabilize Jammu region. Essentially, what governor means is that they will try to replicate the model that they have in Kashmir, which is the Iron Fist policy, and also cracking down on the entire network, and that will be replicated in Jammu. We have been talking about how the government is planning to execute the similar kind of action plan when it comes to eliminating militancy in the Jammu region, and same seems to be today echoed by the Lieutenant Governor, where he said that they're trying to replicate the model and they believe in their forces that they will soon end these attacks and end the sort of terror that is prevalent on the ground in Jammu region. No doubt there have been attacks, there have been very deadly attacks that have taken place, but the Lieutenant Governor says that the forces, including the army, J&K police, will soon act against them and the network that is responsible for carrying out these attacks in Jammu region. That will be soon demolished. He's taking reference from Kashmir, given the fact that after the steps taken by the government in Kashmir Valley have resulted in lesser number of violence, less number of attacks, and that is what Lieutenant Governor is saying, that they will try to replicate the same model in Jammu region as well.
Incidentally, Ishan, his comments and statements also come right when the army chief is visiting the Jammu area, where, of course, there's been an expansion of Indian troops and more deployments. Will there be a briefing or probably a conversation between the Lieutenant Governor and the army chief as well? Anything that you're learning on those lines?
Well, Griha, important question that this is the second visit of the General Upendra Dwivedi, who has taken over as the army chief just some weeks back. The intensity or the fact that he has visited twice now since he's taken over as the army chief tells you how serious the situation is, how serious the government is viewing the present situation in Jammu region. There are no actually scheduled meetings. So what the general would do, he will chair meetings, visit those areas where situation has been deadly, and try to get the knowledge of how things can be managed, particularly from those who are in charge of the situation. The colonels, the major generals and the lieutenant generals who are on the ground taking final calls to how the situation should be dealt with. And this is this also acts as a morale booster when your chief comes down and then he speaks with those who are operational there, and this helps as a morale booster as well. But he'll be briefed on the several security aspects. We are told that multiple agencies will give detailed briefing about how the situation is and how what really is being done to control the situation.
Right. Ishan, thank you so much for all the latest on this story. With that, we are